No! He was turning that way! No! Why was he turning that way? I wanted that truck. It probably had train horns. Here we try to get this blue semi. He saw me. He saw me. What? What? Oh. Yes. Yes. Guys, we're about to get a Peterbilt 389 or 387. Big wrecker, big wrecker, big wrecker. No, no, no. No. Why? Why did he have to turn? That sucks. No? Okay. Not good. I get. Hello, ambulance. Hello. Semi. Yes! Another semi. Come on. Honk at me. Please. Oh. Jeez, is that a deer or just a trailer? That just made that sound. Oh. This thing could do it. Beep beep. Maybe a beep beep. And no beep beep. We didn't get a beep beep, guys. We didn't get a beep beep. I got one of those things that honk in the head. Probably the last one. I almost went deaf because it went beep beep. I don't know how it sounds on the video. That would sound really stupid and annoying. Then you will never watch that video. Also, if we try to get up to 80 subscribers, we just need one more subscriber, guys. One more. And I had 80. That's amazing. Big challenge. Big success. Big succeed. Yeah. So if we can try to get that today, that will be amazing. And also do hashtag Mac Anthem. Mac Anthem. Because yesterday I saw the Mac Anthem. New Mack truck that came out in 2018. Pretty awesome. It was beautiful. So do hashtag Mac Anthem. Alright, these cars pulling in do not help. There's a semi truck. Yay! Finally! There's a big rig wrecker. There's a big tow truck. I want it to honk. So now we wait for it. You didn't honk at me last time, dude. I'm now asking. Finally. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. But if you're watching this, seriously, do hashtag Mac Anthem. Oh, hello, yellow semi truck. You look very familiar. Oh God, that poor. Thank you, sir.